Boston ripping rollers. Going out to the bird coop. It snowed last night. My son shoveled over the walk for me. Oh, he's got a nice path here for me. Watch out, Stell. Oh, I bring the key here. Going to check the birds. Okay. The hens look groovy. The kit birds look good. The kit birds look good in here. The hens look good. Cocks look good. Let me open this. I locked the yellows up yesterday. Here they come. Yeah, I believe they made it now. If they can save their nest box, that's the only thing. They both roll right in the coop, too. One's from my models, and one's from my solid yellows. There's the cockbirds to my models, and there's the cockbird to my solid yellows. As you can see, that's a solid yellow. And that's got a little white on the wing, so I call it a model. Huh? One's got a white band, one's got an orange band. And all their youngsters to that pair got the same color band. All of them will have an orange band, and the other pair will have a white band. Yeah, you see the cockbird has an orange band. They're trying to eat. They didn't get to eat last night. Oh, let me see if the water's frozen. Alright, this is Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great and safe day. Make sure you brush off your cars. That's the way to do it. So long.